Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be publishing a package to the Node package manager inside Node.js and JavaScript. So if you are a beginner in Node.js, you will definitely you have used Node.js modules inside this npm.js. So if you are a Node.js developer, you have obviously gone to this website npmjs.com. You have searched for your favorite package. So let's suppose I search for Express. So this is a package which is uploaded to the npm.js website. So if you just go to this package, then you can install this package. So you can see it is there weekly downloads, so much downloads are there. So now we will be uploading our own package inside this npm.js website. We will try to upload our own package, something like this. So you can see I have already uploaded my own package, which is select list dropdown, and you can see I just published right now. You can see that I can even delete this package by clicking the delete button. So in this tutorial I will be showing you from scratch that how to publish your own npm package inside Node.js and JavaScript. You can create your own short little packages and upload to npmjs.com, and you can install this anytime to your Node.js project. So like this, by a single command npm I select list dropdown. So let's start building this, how to do this. So first of all, I will delete this package. So in order to delete an npm package, if you have uploaded this, simply click the delete button. So if you click the delete button, you will ask to enter the password. If I click confirm password, so you will see that are you sure to want to delete this package? So I will simply say yes. So I will write the package name, which is select list drop down. So I will simply say delete package. So it will delete this package from their database. So you will see the deletion request were received. Please note that it may take few minutes to process. So it will delete it instantly. You can see now no package is there right now. Package is 0. So I will start from scratch here. So for creating a package, Node.js package, it is very easy. So I will close all the directories. So if you are watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. Nice bro from Royal King. So thanks bro. So please first of all like the stream. And first of all, I will go to my projects directory, and here we will first of all open command line, and here we will open uh, we will create a new directory which will be node package. I will cd into this node package directory, and I will open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So now the very first thing guys we do inside our Node.js project, every time we publish or create a package, we need to create a npm init file. So I will not pass the default options. I will just write this command npm init. So this will ask me some questions here. So it will say what is the package name. So I can just provide here the package name. So I will provide this as a country list dash drop down. So you can select any name of your choice. So just make sure that this name is haven't been taken or not. So just cross verify this. You can even change this later on as well. Brother, you are so simple, reflects on your profile, which so thanks Sanchit. So please first of all hit the like button. So this is the name of the package. After that, if you enter it, it will ask for the version number. I will stick to the default version. Then the description, this will be the short little description of this Node.js package. Here we will say this is a simple Node.js package to print all the countries inside select HTML select list. That's it. Entry point will be the index.js file. You can also change this, provide a custom file name, but I will stick to this. Then we have the test command, enter it, git repository. You can even add a git repository for your package. Keywords, you can just add any sort of keywords. I will write here select list. So this is very much useful for SEO purpose. So whenever some person go to npm.js, so if you provide these keywords, so then your package will be visible to them. After that, author, you can just provide your author name. License, you can just enter it, and press yes, and now you will see it will create this package.json file with these options that you have provided. So you can even change these options at any time going to package.json. Now we will create our file which is index.js. So right here you will write the business logic uh, of your package. I work around 10 hours. So you can see now here you need to write your business logic of the package that you will publish. So right here we will write a simple function which will be simply saying to us that country select list. So we will write this function. So inside this basically we will return all the countries inside a select list manner. So you can get this inside internet, just type here select list of all countries. So if you write this you will see there will, every time the user has provided it, many people have written this select list which contains all the countries. So many a times when you are building any sort of select list application you will need this code. So this is very helpful in those situations when you don't want to manually write this. So I will simply copy this and simply I will return this from this function. That's it. I will paste it here. You will like this. So after this, the main line is this. You need to export this method at the bottom for the public to use. So this statement is very much important. Here we will write module.exports and then followed by your function name, which in this case is you can say country select list. So here you will write the function name country select list. That's it. This is all that we need to for the package. Simply now we will come to the command line, and now to publish the package we will write this command here which is npm publish. So if you execute this command you will get an error because for the very first time you can see my package has been successfully published here. You will see that, but you need to log in here with your username and password by pressing this command, writing this command which is npm login. So first of all you need to log in with your username password. So once you are logged in, you can simply write this command npm publish. So for the very first time, you need to write this command npm login to provide your username and password. So once you are authenticated, you can simply write the command npm publish and then your package will be published here. So my package has been successfully published. So now I can go to npm.js website and I can search for this package. So I will write here country dash list dash dropdown. So if I click search, now you can see this is my package coming here, published a minute ago. You will see that I am just live publishing this. So this, you can see this package is seeing it instantly as it is published here. This is my profile picture. You will see this is my account here, GitHub account. So you need to be having a valid account inside npmjs.com before publishing the package. So make sure that you sign up here. So this is my package which is published here. This is appearing right here. So if I click this package, this is a short little description of this package. So now to use this package, it is very much easy. You can see there is a command out there. You can see simply I can copy this command, and what we can do is that we can say npm I country list dropdown. So if I write this command, you will see it will install this package and now it will get added inside my package.json. You will see dependencies country list dropdown. So now we can use this package right here. So we can delete this code or we can make a new file which will be app.js. So right here we will include this. So we will say select list and we will require this package which will be country list dropdown, and after that we can console log the select list. This is a kind of a function because we have defined this as a function. So you need to parentheses like this. You need to be doing a parentheses. It's a method out there. So if I run this file node app.js, so now this will print out all the, you can see that it is printing out all the options select list that we provided inside this. So it is returning this information. So you can use this package at your end also. This is live on the internet. You can also search for this package right now, country list drop down. On your computer also, this will return the same thing. If I need to any somehow I need to update this package, it is very much easy. Let's suppose I go to the business logic, I need to update this. So instead of returning this, I need to print out hello world message. I can simply say make this modification, return hello world. So now I have made a modification here to the package. So right here we can simply say again npm publish from the root directory. So once again it is saying that you cannot publish over the previous published version. In most cases, a package version that is uh, I think we need to make a slight adjustment in the inside the version number. So basically we will say 1.0.1 version, that's it. So if you make this slight adjustment inside your version number, so basically you are updating your existing package. Now if I publish it, so now you can see it is successfully published out there. And now if I run this file once again, let's suppose I run this once again, node app.js. So once again, it will return the same value. So we need to reinstall this package. So we will say that npm uh, install. So we will install this package once again. So once again it will return the same value. So we need to reinstall this package. So what we can do, we can remove this from this package. So once again we will say npm I. So now if I run this file, node app.js, so it will say that cannot find the module country list drop down. So we need to install this once again, country list drop down. So once again it is installing this package. Now we can run that file node app.js. So now it is returning hello world. You will see that we have made this modification. So you can update your package. Once you update it, you need to go to your package.json file and you need to make sure that you make this slight adjustment inside your version number. Just make it as 1.0.23 accordingly. So that's it. So this is how you update the package. And after that, if you want to uninstall your package, you need to go to your profile and inside your profile, there is a settings option. Simply click the setting option and confirm your password. After that, first of all, you need to go to profile option. So select your package and then you need to select to settings. In order to remove this package, go to settings. So here, this is the delete package button. So you will, if you click this button, the package will be removed from the npm.js website. So in this way, you can do this. You can create any sort of package you want. You can create a password generator, custom password generator, any functionality you can embed inside this. So this is the easiest way by which you can publish any package. Four people are watching the stream. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So in this way, you can do this. So in this easy way, you can publish your package. So make sure that the name is not taken. So just give the unique name to your package and it will also tell you if the package name is already taken. So then you just need to reinitialize your package. So basically this is the easiest way that I have told you inside this live stream. So if you want to make your own package, you can simply publish it. This is completely free. You don't need to pay anything. So this is kind of a public package. You just need to create an account. So you also need to link it with your email address also. I have already linked it. You will see that successfully published country list drop down. So you need to be linking it with your own website, which is or email address, which is Geeky Gautam. I have provided this email address. So that's why you can see that it is these messages are coming. So five people are watching the stream. If you have any sort of question related to this, you can ask it in the comment section. So, what is your future plans? I tend to upload more and more videos on this channel related to Node.js, JavaScript, and Python. Especially people are not watching the Python videos. I don't know why it is that. I am uploading very good web scraping projects in Python Selenium. So, can you just tell me, if you don't love Python and Selenium, why are you not watching those videos? Because in Node.js, I am I am just also, I'm also using Node.js Express inside those projects to make those projects interesting, to display the result inside the browser, but still people are not watching Python videos. Especially Selenium is a very powerful web scraping framework similar to Puppeteer in Node.js and Cheerio also, and Beautiful Soup also. So make sure that you also watch Python videos, because I will upload more and more Python videos in the future as well, and I will use Node.js and Express alongside with also. So if you have any sort of question related to the future videos, what future videos do I upload, you can comment me. I will definitely try to upload those videos for you. So he wants to work more with different people. So upload your real world video, then we will watch all. So I just want to upload these videos that I'm telling you, Python Selenium. I love that framework. So basically web scraping is kind of something you scrape anything from the internet. You can do it using Python Selenium. So basically what in the next project, what you will I will do, I will scrape the latitude and longitude for a particular location. So if you see latitude and longitude, if you just type for a particular country, latitude for India. So if you just type this, Google automatically gives you these coordinates. So we can right click inspect element, and then we can go to this. We can just copy the XPath. This is as easy as that. Simply we will copy XPath. So this will give me this location of this element. Now we can extract this text. So we can make this application dynamic. You can make request for any country. This coordinates will change. So we can display this inside our application. So this will be the future video I will be doing. So make sure that you join in. So I will also watch those videos. People say that they will watch, but when the time comes, they don't watch it. So that is why I'm telling right now. So if you have interest in in Python Selenium videos, because I don't think that Python Selenium is that much popular. Stock calculator tool, bro, please. Yes, I get your point. You also asked it yesterday also. I didn't find any package for this. If I just write this, you can see stock calculator. I didn't, some packages are there, but still I need to find a real package that will do the job. If you see this, you can see this is kind of a good package that you can see NPM stock options calculator. You can do this. If this solves the problem, you can easily use this stock options calculator. So definitely I will do this. If I get an opportunity, I will definitely upload that video in order to create a stock calculator using Node.js and Express. So how you want this website to be, in pure JavaScript or Node.js and Express? If you want in pure JavaScript, then we can search like this: stock calculator, CodePen. If various people have, you can see stock profit calculator, they have built this tool. So this is exactly you want. So you can go to this website and just calculate your stock calculator. It will give you all these things: amount allowed. You can see that stop price, limit price, amount of shares. So this is the tool that you will need. Sanchit, this solves your problem. So just go to this tool inside CodePen. This is made inside pure JavaScript and HTML5 and CSS. So basically, this is stock profit calculator. So it will definitely solve your problem. Simple JS static version. S- So you don't want Python Selenium videos, web scraping videos, because web scraping is a very good technology. If you see here, web scraping, JavaScript libraries. If I just say here, web scraping JavaScript libraries, so top five JavaScript libraries for web scraping. So if you just tell me in the comment section which of the libraries I can use, Axios, Nightmare is also a good library. If I search it, and basically it takes the screenshot. For all these packages, you should require a Node.js server. Then we have Cheerio that I talked about. Then we have our Puppeteer, which I again talked about. Selenium, you can see that this is a Selenium. I think this is also available inside Node.js also. So you can see that Selenium, it is also available inside Node.js as well. So that's a good thing. You just need to type Selenium WebDriver. This is a package. So so now I don't need to write Python inside the title. I can use this library inside npm as well. So this is, you can see, this is Selenium WebDriver. This is a package. You will see over 2 million downloads are there, and this is exactly what I wanted. So in the future videos, I will tend to make these videos, far more videos related to web scraping. So I can use this package, and after that, these are the five packages. So I will also use Puppeteer, and then I will use Cheerio. So I will make full projects on these libraries, how to web scrape. So if you just write here Nightmare, so if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So this is a high level browser automation library, 13,000 downloads, and you can see that again it clicks automatically take the screenshot. So you can see that. Sanchit, web scraping is I have explained you, web scraping is scraping the data from the website. So let's suppose you don't have a API. So in that scenario, you can scrape the data from a website. Let's suppose you go to Wikipedia. So what? So if you so just search for a. I have made this application that is I have scraped the data for the cricketer. So if you just write this cricketer, you will see that you can see that this data. I am just want to scrape this data only for this cricketer, Kane Williamson. So in order to scrape this data, we don't have any sort of API available. So we will just go to this inspect element, and right here inside this pan tag, I will copy the XPath, and we will paste this XPath inside Selenium to scrape this data. This is called web scraping, and we can also scrape all this information that is displayed on the web page. So this is a very powerful concept. People make a lot of money using web scraping. They build their own APIs using web scraping. If you don't have any sort of API available, then you can scrape all this data and store it inside your own database and then serve the people through a API. So that's a very powerful concept how APIs are built in the first place. So I have shown you in that video where I scraped all this information using Selenium in Python, and in the future I will also show you how you can do this inside Node.js. So definitely web scraping is the future. More and more developers use web scraping in their applications, mobile apps, all these stuff. So definitely you should be watching web scraping videos and try to replicate as a developer. And more libraries, web scraping libraries are available on the internet. So definitely make sure that you do a research, thorough research. You do it on these website npm.js. Also, you can go to github.com daily, just write web scraping and explore the repositories which come here. So on each day it changes rapidly. So just you can search it here as web scraping, and it will exactly tell you which are the projects which are there for you. 100 projects are there, so make sure you you can see so many projects are made on web scraping. So web scraping, if you see, if you just if you go to Google Trends, and if you just search here Google Trends web scraping, you will definitely know how popular is web scraping. If I type web scraping, so you can see how popular is it. Over 100% you will see. Right now it is also popular. 82. So most of the Indians also like web scraping. You can see how much Indians like web scraping. So it's a topic of interest. So so make sure that you do a thorough research on web scraping. If you just pick worldwide web scraping, you will see Singapore, Pakistan, Morocco, all these countries have interest in web scraping. So Google Trends is a very good area where you can compare technologies, and make sure whenever you are studying a certain topic, you need to be watching how much interest is there inside that topic. Thank you from bottom of the heart, Sparkling Heart. It's good, but you will need to invest for server on hosting. So every application that you make, you need to some kind of investment is required. So that is not an excuse for not learning web scraping. So every time you build any sort of application, you need to develop or deploy that application. For that, you need to have some kind of investment. So you will just require a certain VPS server for hosting that web scraping code. You could even use web scraping tools like ParseHub. I didn't know about this tool. Let me search it. ParseHub. This is I think it's a service. So many web scrapers are there in the market. Some free, some paid. So you can see it's a paid web scraper. So you can see how much charging they are. 189. You can see 599. So a lot of money is involved in web scraping. So many services you can offer your own service in web scraping to scrape the pages, to scrape certain information. So the career is very much bright in web scraping and automation testing. So that's why I'm telling you, if you go to Google Trends, you will see what's your. You can also compare it with another technology. Let's suppose I compare it with JavaScript. You can just have a comparison versus JavaScript. You can see the countries which want. This is. You can see JavaScript is much more popular than web scraping. You can see JavaScript is much more popular. On average, it is 86. On average, it is 1. You can see that. So if you're comparing JavaScript with web scraping, it is much more popular because it is a certain language. It is not a framework. And if you compare here Node.js, let's suppose I want to compare Node.js versus JavaScript. Then again, JavaScript is much more popular. If you write here PHP, so then again, PHP is much more popular. You will see PHP is much more popular than JavaScript. If you agree with this, you can just type yes. If you don't agree, you can just type no. So I think that JavaScript is much more popular than PHP, but still people use PHP for their website, static websites. So I know many websites on the internet use PHP. So PHP developers are still there inside the world. You can just see the range by range interest, country by country. India has only 2, China 10, US only 1. So you can just see the interest. JavaScript, you will see it is in US, JavaScript is popular 69%. In India also, which is 59%. In Russia, it is the reverse, which is 63% PHP is popular, 37% JavaScript. Then we have all these countries. Australia, PHP is popular, JavaScript is not popular. You can even add another thing which is called as, I think, let me add a new language, C++. Let me add this. So now you can see that, guys, this is a very surprising figure. You can see that C++ is overwhelmingly winning. You can see 94% C++ is popular here. You can see that C++ very much popular. C++ 75% in Russia, you will see. China 66%, India also 83%, US also 90%. So make sure that you have the, oh sorry, I think this is not taking as C++, this is just taking as C. So I need to edit this, which is C++ programming language. That's it. Now it will have the, you can see C++ is coming on third position. Then we have JavaScript. Then we have PHP. So this is a great website where you can target the location, what viewers are expecting on which language. You can just see here the proper picture. So WordPress is god of PHP faced with handover mode. So yes, no static projects don't need much hosting. Impossible. How can C++ be? No, no, I was just writing the wrong word. You will see PHP is still more popular than JavaScript and C++. I can add another language here, which I think is Python. Python, I think, will is more popular. Python will be more popular. You will see that Python is popular. If I see Python programming language, Python is the most popular language, guys. You will see that over 86 word average. Then we have our JavaScript, PHP. Then we have JavaScript. Then we have C++. So Philippines enjoys. You can see Python is overwhelmingly popular in all the countries. You can see over 50% popularity, 61% in US. You can see that. So if you want to be a Python developer, then more jobs will be available to you, more videos will be available to you because it is so much popular. So here you can come and or daily you can come to Google Trends and check for all the languages that you want to learn. So make sure that you do this comparison on a daily basis. So thanks very much, guys. If you have any sort of question, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks very much for watching this stream, and I will be seeing you in the next stream.